Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1. And firstly, check is your Bluetooth is turned on. So open control panel on your Android or Apple device and just enable the Bluetooth if it's disabled. Now I checked that it reconnects to Android devices automatically, but for iOS we need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and click on them here. Also, if you haven't connection on your Android, also try to go to the settings and then connected devices or Bluetooth and tap at your headphones here. Now, if it didn't help you, I recommended to perform a soft reset. So we need to turn off these headphones, and we can do this by use multifunctional button at the right ear cup between volume control buttons. Just check the LED light. If you see the red LED light, it means that you turn off it. Here we go. And now it disconnected from the phone, so we need to reconnect it by turn on these headphones and press and hold at the multifunctional button again. Also, you can check the LED light here. If you see the white LED light, here we go, we just turn on it. And now these headphones should reconnect automatically, but also try to tap on them if you don't want to reconnect automatically. If it didn't help you, also, we need to remove and add these headphones from your phone. So click at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones, forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, if you cannot see them, as you can see now I have it, but if you cannot see, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth, and then you will see them. Tap on them and we have connection. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, I recommended to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, we need to also unpair these headphones from your phone. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget and forget. After that, make sure that this LED light blinking white and red and your headphones, because if it do not blinking, maybe your headphones connected with another device. So disconnected. After that, you need to press and hold at the same time volume up and volume down button until you will see the red LED light here. So press and hold, and we need to check this LED light. Here we go, and now it starts blinking red. Excellent. After that, we need to add it to your phone. If you have Android, again click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can or check that you have it at other devices here, or go back, return here, and you will see them. Then tap at your headphones, and if you have Android, after that click pair. Also, I have one more solution for you, is to reset your network settings. And on Android we will reset only Bluetooth, but on iOS we cannot reset the Bluetooth. So, first I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android device. On Apple device, open settings, and you need to go to the general. Then scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer or reset iPhone. Click at this line and click reset. And now you need to select reset network settings and write your password. But once you reset it, by click at this button, you will totally remove your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So you need to know it. Now let's move to Android device. And on your Android you need to also open settings, and then we need to go to the system. I will show you how to do this on stock Android, because it depends on Androids. Maybe some Androids have system what's similar to iOS, and then you maybe need to check iOS part, because you will have the same path. Now we need to find system. Oh, I missed it. So where it is? Yeah, system, and then at the bottom in the system I have reset options. Tap at this line and right here we can select Reset and Bluetooth. Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Tap at this line and click Reset. But once you did it, you will totally remove all Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!